Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily reprint checks in QuickBooks Online. So all you have to do is head over to qbo.intuit.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just head over to Expenses. So as you can see here, we have an existing check expense. And in order to reprint this, all you have to do is check the box on that specific check. Then next is just click on this print icon. And from here, just choose the destination if you want to print this to PDF. Then once done, just click on print. And from here, we can print our file to a PDF document. Just add in a file name, then click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!